Hi, it's Friday, October the 29th. This is your astrological forecast for today and tomorrow. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. We're going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On the first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity just flowing out of our bodies. And in its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only do we see it filling our entire bodies with this beautiful white light, we then see it go out and form a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. We are going to say the affirmation and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Good, good. And it has been a battle this week, hasn't it? I know some of us have just butt our heads up against those who don't want to change, and then those who want to use their power over us and even take our idea or strategy or proposal or even our boyfriend or girlfriend for their own. So today, we're going to turn the tables on everyone, because today there still is that discordant energy out there. But today the moon is in Leo. And so what we're going to do today to help shift that energy, we are going to make it a day of gratitude today. We are going to find anyone in our lives who support us, who nurture us, who make sure that we're taken care of, who care about us, who are helping us become successful. We are going to just appreciate everyone, and we're going to get that energy moving. Because once we start doing that today, we open up that abundance channel, and that channel will open, and we will receive the effects of our actions today. Yes, we will receive some appreciation and some accolades for what we have done to support others. So instead of trying to push whatever it is that we've got through by forcing our will, by using power over others, time out. We're just going to be appreciative and grateful. And that's going to work much better for us today. Much, much better. And then tomorrow on Saturday, still we've got the Sun in Scorpio squaring Saturn in Aquarius. So if any of us are thinking maybe on the weekend we're going to have better luck with our idea, no, we are not. And the kickback, since it's Sun in Scorpio, could be a lot more than we were ready to deal with. I mean, you're thinking Sun in Scorpio, so it's not going to be, no, I don't like your idea. It's going to be, no, I don't like your idea. How many times do I have to tell you? That's going to look like. So let's just stay away from that. You know what we need to do on Saturday? Perfect energy on Saturday to get ready for the Halloween party for any of us that are going out. Oh my gosh, yet again, another great social day. So today, instead of forcing what we got, we're going to work on our costume. We're going to get organized. If we're having a party, we're going to get all the stuff together, and we are going to spend the evening having fun and enjoying dressing up, being silly, and even on a more sacred note. I mean, Halloween is the celebration of our ancestors and what they did to get us to where we are today. So keep that in mind too. So make it a great weekend. Let's see, where are we? Let's see what kind of advice we've got. I love Halloween. I love it so much. My brother sent me some Halloween tarot cards. Oh my goodness, I am madly in love with them. They are so cool. And so is he. He's such a nice guy. Oh, Stormfields. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Moon in Leo. It's not, I think I don't need to do it again of what that storm's going to look like if we insist. Heal the ouch. Who have we been using our power over? Spirit says some of us have been using our power over other people, manipulating and controlling them. And we've caused some hurt feelings. We've hurt some feelings. We've offended people. We know who we are and we know what we've done. It's time to make amends for that. Remember, power is here. It's not over others. And then talisman. Oh yeah. So, our good luck charm today and tomorrow is our wisdom and our power. Knowing our environment, understanding the energy that we're working with, and using our power in a balanced and healthy way. So I was hoping that it might be some kind of magic something, but no, it's the magic's right here, everyone. Right here. Spirit is just confirming that for us. Have a great weekend. Don't give away your power. Have an awesome, scary, spooky time Saturday night at the Halloween party. And come see me on Sunday morning, bright and early, 6 a.m., for your weekly astrological forecast. And come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. And always, always remember that life is lived from the inside out. Have a great weekend and happy Halloween. Boo! Namaste.